everyone, my name is Elsa. I'm 8 years old, and today I will tell you about 3 main body parts of a bird. You know, birds have many body parts, but today I will tell you 3 main body parts. Birds always had this. First is feathers. Feathers is the soft body parts, and it grow everywhere on the bird's bodies. And next one is the wings. The wings help the birds fly. Each bird has 2 wings. Some birds have wings, but it cannot fly, like penguin, ostrich, but each bird can fly, and they use the wings to fly. Next one is the beak. The beak is the body parts of a bird, and it's very pointed. And the beak help the birds to keep food into its beak, and they help birds many things like picking up things or can let's keep something in its beak. So that is 3 body parts of a bird. 3 main body parts. That all birds have that. And can you tell me another body part of a bird? Goodbye, everyone.